You've got to be living under a rock if you don't know by now that there is one vote bank that is the most coveted in possibly every election, even in the Delhi election. And that is the woman factor, the Mahila vote. In Delhi, been sought by all three, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Congress, a slew of sops only directed to attract the woman vote. Where do the women stand this election? Sneha Mordani, my colleague, files this report.
ये बताइए आपके एरिया में सबसे ज्यादा काम किसने किया?
सबसे ज्यादा काम केजरीवाल ने।
बहुत अच्छा काम किया। हम तो कहा भगवान दिल्ली में आवा तुम्हारा केजरीवाल आवे।
Anything and everything that they can do is make the streets safe for women. That's it.
What do the Mahilas of Delhi want? Netas across the political spectrum are in a rat race to win the hearts of this crucial vote bank in Delhi. And perhaps this anxiety on getting them on their side is for the right reasons.
There is a race within all political parties to woo the women voter, and that's the reason why announcements like these are being made by Congress, BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Congress, for example, says महिलाओं को प्रति माह 2500 रुपए. The big question is whether women will get wooed if money is given to them, or money rather is promised to them, because all parties are doing it. So what's the difference?
Direct cash benefits to women in Delhi is what everyone is promising. Not an iota of doubt that if this money, if paid to women who need it when inflation is going through the roof, would benefit them in a big way. So who is loving it and who is not?
सेफ्टी सबसे ज्यादा मायने रखती है।
ये सारी जो चीजें जो दी जाती है कि 2500 देंगे, 2100 देंगे,
कुछ नहीं, ये सब कंपटीशन है। एक शुरू करता है तो दूसरी पार्टी भी शुरू कर देगी।
The big divide is for us to see. In fact, the story of elections in Delhi is a story of two Delhis. One that believes this kind of support is needed, and the other that is not. In Delhi's uber-rich upmarket, Khan Market, we met women whose priorities are different than those of women we met in many other places in the city.
Focus on safety. I think that's one thing that people don't really consider Delhi to be safe for, personally, because coming to maybe Bombay or somewhere else, states are sort of considered a little better than Delhi, but Delhi is not considered safe.
The story is different in these lanes of Delhi's Seelampur.
लेडीजों का बसों का किराया
अच्छा
नहीं किया, ठीक है,
फ्री कर दिया,
फ्री कर दिया, ठीक है। और बाकी जो नहीं, अब 2500 रुपए देने के लिए 2100 कह रहा है देने के लिए, देगा वो।
अच्छा।
बाकी बिजली का, पानी का फ्री है।
जो फ्री है इसलिए आपको लग रहा है कि
तो अब मालिक और कोई तो दे ही नहीं रही।
बिजली फ्री करी थी, पानी फ्री कर दिया, ये काम की चीजें थी, बस गृहस्थी की तो यही चीजें थी, सब चीजें।
क्योंकि
वो करा उन्होंने, बसें फ्री करी।
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है कि
बहुत सारे काम अच्छे करे।
कई लोग कहते हैं फ्री नहीं देना चाहिए, फ्री फीस नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो आपको क्या
भी लोगों का तो फायदा है ही।
फायदा है।
The Delhi government's flagship Mohalla Clinics is also something that strikes a chord with women who say access to free health care means their spending is kept at a low.
जो समस्या होती थी पानी की, बिजली की, सब समस्या वो सही करता है। हर मुसीबत में खड़ा रहता है। बहुत अच्छा केजरीवाल है हमारा, और हमें केजरीवाल चाहिए।
Ahead of the 2020 Delhi Assembly polls, TIA pledged to continue its pink ticket scheme, offering free bus rides to women.
So we are in a bus, which of course is free for women. Women don't have to pay for the tickets, and that is of course a scheme of the Delhi government, which is controlled by the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's try and get a sense of how women see this scheme, where they don't have to pay money. ये बस की टिकटें हैं जो फ्री है आप सबके लिए। अच्छा, अच्छी बात है।
नहीं, अच्छी बात है।
बहुत लोग ऐसे कहते हैं ऐसा फ्री सब देंगे तो नुकसान होगा सरकार को।
हमें तो कोई नुकसान होया नहीं।
आपको नुकसान नहीं है। Schemes like these, small things, big things, that may appear to us as something which is not fiscally prudent, is actually working wonders.
Cash transfers, free bus rides, pension schemes. Politicians are going around making promises, offering doors more lucrative than the others to grab the attention of Delhi's women electors. Experts believe that it was the support of women voters that helped the AAP clinch a decisive victory in the 2020 Delhi Assembly elections. Will this election be any different? Time will tell. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani, Bureau Report, India Today.